A mind is like a parachute, it doesn't work if it is not open. When mind is weak, situation is problem. When mind is balanced, situation is challenged. When mind is strong, situation becomes an opportunity. Mind is a flexible mirror, adjust it to see a better world. Once your mindset changes, everything on the outside will change along with it. Sometimes you need to step outside, get some air, and remind yourself who you are and who you want to be. Your mind is a powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will start to change. Your mindset is the key to unlocking your potential. We don't grow when things are easy, we grow when we face challenges. 6 months of hard work and focus can put you 5 years ahead in life. Never underestimate the power of consistency and desire. There are two ways to be happy: change the situation or change your mindset towards it. Your mindset is your greatest tool. Believe in your ability to grow, and the possibilities are endless. Stop thinking, what if it doesn't work? Start thinking, what if it does? Be remarkable. If you are always trying to be normal, you will never know how amazing you can be. Winners don't wait for motivation, they create it. Your mindset is your strongest muscle, train it daily. When everything is trying to bring you down, find one reason to keep going up. Forget your age. If you have dreams to achieve, you are still young. You have to train your mind to be stronger than your feelings, or else you will lose yourself. Good things come to those who believe, better things come to those who are patient, and the best things come to those who don't give up. Your greatest weapon is your mind. Train it to see opportunities, not obstacles. Mindset is the king and positivity is its coin. Never give up. Great things take time. Be patient. You can only win when your mind is stronger than your emotions. A slow walk is better than no walk. Life will test you just before it will bless you. True significance and success is found in building others up according to their needs. When you wish good for others, good things come back to you. This is the law of nature. Our life is shaped by our mind. We become what we think. If you light a lamp for somebody, it will also brighten your path. The greatest challenge in life is discovering who you are. The second greatest is being happy with what you find. It is very easy to give example, but it is very difficult to become an example. Life is like a camera. Focus on what's important, capture the good times, and develop from the negatives. True beauty is not in the face, it's in a kind mind, a loving heart, and above all, a beautiful soul. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. Never stop trying, never stop believing, never give up. Your day will come. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Understanding is the first step of all solutions. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow stronger, smarter, and more resilient. Embrace each one as a stepping stone. The greatest achievements come not from avoiding failure but from daring to rise after each fall and pushing forward with even more determination. Train your mind to be stronger than your emotions. Having self-control will get you further than constantly reacting to everything that's trying to test your patience. Center yourself and remain calm in difficult or challenging situations. You are free to choose, but you are not free from the consequence of your choice. Don't start your day with the broken pieces of yesterday. Every day is a fresh start. Every day is a new beginning. Every morning we wake up is the first day of the rest of our life. My dark days made me strong, or maybe I was already strong and they made me prove it. Don't be afraid of being different, be afraid of being the same as everyone else. A calm mind, a fit body, and a house full of love. These cannot be bought, they must be earned. Peace is a choice, not a prize. You won't find it in things or places. It grows when you decide not to let chaos own you. Difficult doesn't mean impossible. It simply means that you have to work hard. The most powerful tool is the ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn. A positive mindset is your passport to endless possibilities. Keep it fueled. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of your success. Discipline your mind to think positively. Discipline your mind to see the good in every situation and look on the best side of every event. Your mindset is everything. It shapes your world and your reality. Choose wisely. Mindset is everything. The thoughts you have affect your energy and actions. When you change your thoughts, you change your life. Your mindset is the soul. Whatever you plant will grow. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe for more.